Good morning, students. Welcome back to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today I Renu Tyagi going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, inserting tables in MS Word. This is the first chapter of the second term. In this chapter we will study about the table, means what is a table, what is row and column, what is cell, and how to insert a table. First of all, I am going to describe you what is table. Students, this is a way to represent data in the form of rows and columns. Means when we represent data in this form like this is called table, right? This is the table. In this form we can organize and analyze the data. मीन्स अच्छे से हम डेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं, उसको एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज अ रो? अ रो इज अ set of horizontally arranged cells. मीन्स इस तरीके से जब हम डेटा को अरेंज करते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड रो. दिस इज कॉल्ड रो. सो व्हाट इज अ रो? अ रो इज अ सेट ऑफ सेल्स विच हैव बीन अरेंज्ड हॉरिजॉन्टली. एक रोज का सेट है, सेल्स का सेट है जो हॉरिजॉन्टली अरेंज्ड किए गए हैं, इनको हम बोलते हैं रो. What is a row? A row is a set of horizontally arranged cells, right? Same way, what is a column? A column is a set of cells arranged vertically. कॉलम भी सेल्स का एक सेट है जो वर्टिकली अरेंज किए गए हैं, लाइक दिस. vertically arranged cells are called what? Column. These are the columns. Now next term is here, that is cells. What is a cell? A cell is a intersection of rows and columns. Mean to say, when we arrange data in this form, means in the form of table, and this part of the table is called cell. ये क्या कहलाता है? सेल कहलाता है. and what is this? This is the intersection of rows and columns. A cell is the intersection of rows and columns. Now our next topic is steps to insert rows and columns means table. How can we insert the table? Students, first of all we have to click on insert tab. After it, click on table button. There is a table button, I will show you. Okay, and then one drop down menu appears as we click on table button, right? From that menu we have to select the number of rows and columns. Select number of rows and columns from the drop down menu. Or one more another way is there to insert the table. From the appeared, when you click on insert tab, you get the table button. Okay, means you have to click on table button. From the appeared list you can select the insert, means this is the second way. See, first of all click on insert tab, then click on table button, and from the appeared drop down menu you have to click on insert table option. Insert table option. As you click on this option, you get the table dialog box. In that box you have to insert the number of rows and columns, means write number of rows and columns, and then click on OK button in the appeared box. And one more way is there. You have to click on insert tab. In this tab click on table button, then from the appeared list you can click on quick table option. As we click on quick table option, we get the list of ready-made tables. From there select any one table. Select any one table from the ready-made list. तो ये तीन तरीके हैं जिनसे हम जिनसे हम टेबल इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं कंप्यूटर के अंदर. Now inserting rows and columns only. Suppose we have already inserted the table. Now we are required one more row or column that can be inserted by following these steps. By following these steps we can add number of rows and columns in the appeared table. Okay, how we will insert the row? First of all, students, we have to place the cursor at that point where we want to insert the new row. Suppose this is our table. In it we have to insert one more new row. एक नई रो हमें इंसर्ट करनी है. कैसे करेंगे? Suppose I want to insert here. So first of all I have to click inside this cell. Then first step is what? Select the place as I have selected here. After it, go to the layout tab. In the layout tab, click insert above or insert below from rows and columns group. Means we have to go to the rows and columns group. In it, select insert above or insert below. Any one option we have to select from these two options. Then new row will be inserted at the selected place and data of this row will be shifted according to our selection. अगर हमने अबव किया है तो इसके ऊपर इंसर्ट हो जाएगा, मीन्स ये डेटा नीचे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, और अगर हमने बिलो किया है तो ये डेटा ऊपर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज टू ऐड अ कॉलम. Steps to add a column. First step is same. We have to select the place where we have to insert the column. See in this table, suppose I have to insert one new column here, so I have to select this one and then go to the layout tab. Then select any one option from the appeared options, like click insert right or insert left. Okay, as you select the option, new column will be inserted in the table, means according to our selection column will be inserted in our table. Same way we can delete the unwanted rows and columns from the table. Deleting rows and columns from the table. We have to follow some steps to delete a row. First of all, we have to select the row which has to be deleted. After it, go to the layout tab. In this tab, click the delete from the rows and columns group, means you have to search the rows and columns group. In this group you have to click on delete. Click on delete. As you click on delete, you get the drop down list of delete. From that list you have to click on delete rows. Okay, then selected row will be deleted. Same way we can delete the columns from the table. So steps to delete a column. First step is same, select the column which has to be deleted and then go to the layout tab. In this tab again we have to click on delete button, where in rows and columns group. Select delete button from rows and columns group. Then select the delete column from the drop down list. From drop down list, then selected column will be deleted. Students, now what you have to do, before doing any written work, you have to write the second term syllabus in your notebook, and after that you have to do this work in your fair notebook. Write recap points and terms in your fair notebook in today's date. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.